Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the positive integer problem. Here you can see the answer is not 8. So how will get the answer 8? Most of the people knowing the BODMAS, and in BODMAS, most of the people training first we simplify the addition, but this is the wrong method. Now in this situation, first we apply the rule of left to right. Okay, so now 5 minus 6 is minus 1 and plus 7. So minus 1 and plus 7, minus into plus is minus. We are here doing the minus, and the bigger number is 7, in positive 7. So we write here positive 6 is right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.